To realize high-level decorations, Cotto d'Este effect, we suggest applying TAMSTUCCO in pasta or a putty for the smoothing by steel trowel, smoothing to obtain a smooth and uniform surface. Wait for the complete drying and place the paper strips to create the tile sizes desired, alternating full to empty areas. Cover the areas which remain uncovered with a second coat of putty, smoothing to achieve a smooth and uniform surface. Remove the tapes when the product is still wet and let it dry thoroughly. Spread the entire surface lightly with 360 grain sandpaper just to remove any burrs left by the removal of the tapes. Remove the damp by wet cloth and apply fixative ATOMO in a ratio 1:2. Apply 1 or 2 coats of Roxidan 0270, diluting the product with a maximum of 10% water, and apply the sponge, working on it until the required design is achieved.